What's up everybody, it's Frankie D. Today we're going to be talking about upgrades to the toilet. Here's my bathroom, and I feel like the bathroom is a very underrated place as far as convenience and relief. So what can we do to our toilet to make it more enjoyable, more convenient, more relieving? Well, this is my toilet. Of course I have my mattress up top, plunger on the left, and a cleaning method on the right. Trash can. First thing I want to go over is quiet shut toilet seats can be had at Home Depot or any other hardware store for about $30, definitely less than $40. It is worth every single penny. You just walk away, shut the toilet, and don't have to blow out your ears. Another thing that should not be underestimated is toilet paper. I have no idea why people assume that any toilet paper is okay toilet paper for your butt. Soft only, dual, triple ply, whatever it is. Charmin Ultra Soft is the best. I highly recommend that. That's all I buy. Toilet paper is a huge deal for the toilet experience. Look, spend a few more dollars. I know, toilet paper is expensive. Everything's expensive. Spend a few more bucks, do it for your ass. Here's another thing that all Americans should get behind. I don't know why we all don't have them. The bidet. There are many types of bidets. There's ones that have a heating reservoir that replace the whole seat. There's ones that are integrated with the toilet, which I would love to have, but those are thousands of dollars. I don't want to do that now. And then there are cheap attachments like I have, like a tushy for $80, $100, or there's way cheaper ones on Amazon. All you do is attach it below your toilet seat. Very, very simple installation process. And then you always have a clean ass. Yet another upgrade to your toilet would be, of course, the revolutionary squatty potty. This enhances your position on the toilet to make it go faster and unkinking your intestinal tract. Now let's talk about some things that are associated with your toilet. Smell. So you got a hot date, you invite them to your house the first time, but you gotta go. You don't want them to smell it. Well, there's a few options. You can do the traditional stuff, matches. The only problem with matches is it makes it super obvious that you did in fact go poop. So you don't want your date to know that exactly, do you? There's another option. Something that you put in the toilet before you go. It's called One Drop. It's just a concentrated, powerful deodorizer that you put inside the water. It neutralizes it so that whatever goes in it won't stink. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you for being in my bathroom with me and talking about all things toilets. I see you next time.